Have you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, but shied away from the thought of being in front of the camera? Today, we're going to talk about how you can dive into the world of YouTube without ever having to step into the spotlight. A faceless YouTube channel is a platform where the content creator remains behind the scenes, invisible to the viewer. It's a perfect choice for those who prefer to stay camera shy, or who simply want to focus on the content rather than their on-screen persona. The first step to starting a faceless YouTube channel is deciding on your niche. Whether it's cooking, travel, education, DIY, or gaming, it's crucial to choose a topic that you're passionate about. This passion will fuel your creativity and keep you motivated. The next step is scripting your videos. A well-written script acts as the backbone of your content. It helps you structure your thoughts, ensures you cover all the points you want to, and keeps your content engaging and on track. Then comes the fun part, gathering your video footage. There are plenty of free stock websites where you can source high-quality video footage. Alternatively, you can use content with a Creative Commons CC by license. Now, you might be wondering, what about the audio? Well, that's where voiceovers come in. You can either record your own voiceovers or hire professional voiceover artists to add that perfect touch of professionalism to your videos. Setting the mood and tone of your videos is crucial, and that's where music comes in. Royalty-free music tracks can provide the perfect backdrop to your content, enhancing the overall viewer experience. Once you have your footage and audio, it's time to bring it all together. Video editing software can help you weave together your footage, voiceovers, and music into a cohesive and engaging video. And let's not forget about thumbnails. A custom thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate. It's like the cover of a book. It needs to be enticing enough to make the viewer want to click and watch. There are several types of videos you can create for a faceless YouTube channel. Compilations and slideshows are popular choices that can showcase a variety of content. You can even add doodles to your videos to make them visually engaging. In summary, starting a faceless YouTube channel involves choosing a niche, scripting your videos, sourcing footage, recording voiceovers, selecting music, editing your video, and creating an enticing thumbnail. Remember, the key to a successful YouTube channel, faceless or not, is creating high-quality, engaging content that appeals to your target audience. So, get out there, start creating, and let your content, not your face, do the talking.